Well, here we go, right here, actually.
Yeah, you guys check out the guy on the left, the taller gentleman with the white shirt. He's pretty funny. He keeps looking back and forth at us. Check him out.
They go to all the different county buildings in the city.
Oh, he already knows.
Yep.
Yeah.
How you doing today, Sarge?
Great, how are you?
They called you in here?
Thank you for educating.
Did they call you in here for us?
They have multiple officers coming, yeah.
Oh, cool.
Multiple?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Are you going to educate them when they come?
I think they're pretty well educated. I don't think I need to
okay.
do anything, do I?
Well, no, I mean,
You guys good?
actually, yeah, when the citizens ask you to do something, you do have a job to do, that's right.
What'd you ask me to do?
I'll just educate your fellow. Actually, some of the people were here were
Educate who?
acting
Who are you
kinda
asking me to
paranoid.
educate?
There was a gentleman that came up to me and grabbed my monopod. And then
Just a regular citizen?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, you might want to educate that guy. That'd be great.
Where's he at?
I went into the back.
He's in the back.
Okay.
acting
All
pretty
right, sounds
paranoid.
good.
Yeah.
Anything I can help you guys with?
No, we're good.
Excellent. You guys have a great day.
Awesome. Name and badge number, that'd be great.
McAllister, 352.
McAllister, like the Home Alone kid.
Yep.
All right, nice. This guy right here likes
Where did they
freedom.
walk?
I could tell by his smile. Have a good day,
We got a
man.
report they got.
How you guys doing
gentlemen.
today? All right,
How's it going?
not too bad.
Do you mind if we step outside and talk?
Can I have your name and badge number?
Sure. Philbrook,
Phil Brooks,
Steve,
Steve.
367.
367.
Yep.
Can I have yours, sir?
Miss Officer, your way.
Now that's the way to do things. Our way.
Miss Officer, your way. 362.
Your way, 362.
Yep.
Cool. Badge number 281.
You mind if we go outside just because people are doing work in here so we don't bother them?
Well, we're not bothering.
Actually, we were the ones that
We
were
weren't
doing work,
bothering
and we were the
anybody.
ones that were being bothered.
Okay.
So, I mean, actually, it'd be great if you could educate the guy that tried to put his hands on him and actually touch his camera.
Put the hands on who?
Yeah, on.
We were back there filming pictures in the. There's a door there for the lobby of the administration office, and we're not going to any secure areas. We were in the publicly accessible lobby.
Okay.
The gentleman came out. He's looking through the door.
You want to show me what you're talking about?
How you doing?
Hello.
How you doing?
How are you guys?
Not too bad. Name badge number, if you don't mind.
Oh, badge number? Right there.
271. Can you pronounce your last name for me?
Can you?
Herb, like marijuana? Herb? Are you an herbist? Are you an herbist?
I'll give you an A for effort.
All right.
Do you guys have some ID on you?
No, thank you.
He says, I don't want to be filmed. And I wasn't even filming the guy.
Sure.
I was filming the guy.
Actually, let me see your ID.
I'm going to see your ID first.
Can I see your ID? Where
No.
you live? Then why would you need to see mine where I live?
Because apparently you guys are generating a call for service and acting suspiciously.
Any ill intention? Sure. We know our boundaries. I'm not looking for
Filming here today.
Sometimes we feel we need to flex our First Amendment right, because sometimes places like this, we spend tax dollars for these places to operate, right? So without us, there is no you.
Oh, so you
so
guys
when we
live
have
in
to
Simi.
come in here, when we have to ask questions for the public, general questions and stuff like that. Sometimes people think, oh, they're causing a disturbance, right? Because sometimes we have tough questions like, where's our tax dollars? And that's when the managers go running in the back and they say these guys are causing a disturbance because they don't want to answer up.
So you guys are,
So
are
I'm not
citizens here.
So in other
Simi
words,
Valley.
I'm not as stupid as I look.
Okay, so
And
you guys-
sometimes our viewers are smarter than we are.
So you
Yeah.
live here in Simi then?
If you don't have
That would be a
them
personal
on-
question, sir. But like I said, if you tell me where you live,
I was just wondering because you were saying your tax dollars. I was wondering if you're a citizen that you're paying for the tax.
okay, so let me ask you this: do you have to pay a tax here in order to be free in Simi Valley? Do you have to buy a candy bar and pay tax there?
I don't understand the question.
I don't
So he's
understand that either.
so okay. So
He
you're
was,
saying
he was mentioning that.
I'll listen to this question. That's all right.
okay. So he basically asked me what we're doing. We just come around, we go filming, we ask questions
I was
for
just
the public.
about the candy bar question. I know what's
Okay, so he is asking me. He wants to know where I live. That's a personal question. So I don't.
Okay, so you don't want to answer that,
Yeah.
but what's about the candy bar? I still
So
don't
he's
get
asking
that.
me, do I pay taxes here? Am I a resident here? And what constitutes freedom to be here in America?
He's not telling the truth. I'm that guy.
Sir, I don't need to tell the
We're
truth.
not
The
telling
camera
the
tells the
truth.
truth. People lie, but the camera don't, sir. Have a good
Don't
day.
worry about it.
So, do I have to go buy a candy bar and pay tax in order to be free in Simi Valley?
No, of course
Thank
not.
you. You see that? You hear that?
Was
That's why he's a sergeant.
I didn't understand the freedom.
You guys ready?
Okay.
We're good.
Okay.
You guys done?
You're actually pretty cool, Sergeant.
you're welcome.
Johnson, what's your badge number, sir?
43. I have to look on it.
Hey, man.
Don't forget.
Thank you, bro.
right,
That's-
gentlemen.
hey, that right there is
a good day.
professionalism. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Well, they're not doing anything illegal. So it's unfortunate, but that's just how it is.
This is the education process.
That's what it is.
All right, have a good day, sir.
That's the education process. Have a good day, man. Have a good day. We weren't even recording him, Johnson. We weren't even recording him, man. He just came up and tried to grab the dude's camera. We were just kind of looking around and just, you know.
Well, you got the reaction you wanted.
Yeah. He's a star. He made himself a star. You know the funny thing is a woman. She was right there, standing there, and she just smiled and waved and walked by.
Oh, yeah.
A woman. I mean, but this guy right here.
You know, some people are more sensitive than others about being on camera.
Hey, but you know the funny thing you say about that? Look, cameras everywhere, man. Everywhere we go, McDonald's.
Yeah, but these aren't going to be posted on YouTube under a First Amendment.
Hey, man,
or
who knows?
whatever,
Hey, who knows what kind of crazy person at the top looks at all this?
As far as I know.
Hey, come on, dude.
I haven't
you know.
seen any of those on YouTube. That's all I'm saying. I've seen plenty of these on YouTube, but I haven't seen these cameras on YouTube. So.
That's right, man. You know, I tell you what, my channel, dude. I try not to. I try to bring transparency. Bro.
Comes through the door and says, hey, I don't want to be filmed. Grabs this. Appreciate it.
Does that sound fair?
It does.
Okay. All right.
See, your last name
Philbrook.
is my
367.
first name. Man.
Well, sort of.
The first of it.
You're breaking it down. So.
And you're McAllister, you already gave that.
All right, Phil.
All right, guys, so I appreciate you educating
Yeah.
that citizen.
Yeah, no worries.
You know, and like I said, we're not out here to get hemmed up. And,
You just understand that people, obviously, they when you guys come in with cameras and stuff, it makes people on the edge. That's all.
fine, and we're more
As
than
long as if you tell people before you start putting a camera or whatever, I'm not saying you did. I'm just saying if that was the case,
But we don't-
you might want to rethink that.
No, I'm not going to rethink that. I'll tell you why. Because I don't have to let them know. If they want to know, just come up and say, "Hey guys, what are you doing?" And we get into a normal discourse. Don't come up and say, "Hey, you know, I don't want to be." You got 14 cameras, so when you want me to do something, they need to do something too. I'm not here to do this to people.
Nobody's trying to ruffle anybody's feathers.
Right, I'm not.
But to the common citizen, when they see cameras in their face, it makes them uncomfortable. That's all.
So a common citizen like me as well doesn't like cameras like that. 17 cameras in my face in
let's
every
go.
building I walk. So.
All right, the boss is telling you, let's go.
All right.
We gotta go.
All right, we can discuss this all day. Come on.
All right, man. You guys have a good day.
Have a good day.
Can I get a smile for freedom? Thank you. Oh man, that's what I like. Thank you. For officer safety, we're going to escort them back to their vehicles.
Where's Bob? There he is.
Hey, you guys are actually pretty cool, man. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, these guys weren't bad, man. They went in there and they educated them. I like the American flag on the Ford sign,
like
you guys.
that?
Yeah, I'm glad it doesn't have the blue stripe though.
Yeah.
Yeah, because then you guys would get all kinds of bad comments on my
That's
channel.
true, I bet you can. All right, guys, let's go. I'll talk to you later. See you guys. Thanks.
Good day.
Freedom. That's right.
Any day you wake up, oh, thanks. Midwest?
Peace. That's one unhappy officer right there, man. That guy is unhappy. How you doing today? Not too bad. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 police vehicles here for men with cameras.
There are 4. Were there 4?
There was 4 there was 5 officers, but I only see 4. I seen 1 officer take off that way. So yeah, 5 officers here for cameras, for people recording. Yeah.
They want us to tell people, hey, I'm in here filming, just letting you know. No, I don't think so.
Yeah, you know, I'm glad. I like the way he told him, Phil, because he was expecting us to say, yeah, okay, we'll start letting people know when we come by. But nah, dude, you don't have to tell nobody that you're gonna be free today. Like, no. When freedom rings. Yeah. I can dig that right there. Take off the Ford symbol and put a flag on there. I'm alright with that as long as it ain't a blue flag, a blue line flag. Vehicle number 32. Which officer is it? Is this the heavyset one that was upset?
No, he drove off.
He drove off? Yeah. This guy.
Oh, I thought you guys had more.
More? We didn't have much.
I didn't know. I thought you were asking for another question or something.
They called you guys out here for guys with people with cameras acting suspicious, huh?
The sad thing is, I dealt with Phil. What was his last name? Phil something?
That was me.
Oh, hey, I didn't recognize him. Did you get a haircut already?
No, actually,
But I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed in you, officer.
Why?
Phil Brock?
Why were you disappointed?
Because you said you were going to educate that citizen.
I will. We're going to go back. Not now.
Oh, not now?
No, not now.
And the purpose of not now is why?
Because there's a place and there's a time, and I'm assuming the person that you're talking about is somebody that within that district it's above us, meaning my level. So our supervisor knows what happened. He's going to talk to our people to talk to them.
So the main guy in charge here today was Johnson?
Yeah, he's our supervisor.
He's your supervisor? That dude was pretty cool, man. He understood what we were doing.
You just got to understand that when it comes to people in that agents or that portion of the city, that's where the city lawyers are. So.
Right.
Yeah, but this was a private citizen.
I don't know what you're talking about.
They grabbed my monopod. He was a private citizen, I told you.
I'm sorry. I thought I was under the impression it was somebody within the building.
No, not at all. He's probably still in there. That's why I thought.
No, he left.
Oh, he left.
He did get educated. He did get educated. Yeah, he did. There was
somebody else talked to him.
Yeah, there was a sergeant in the back. I don't remember.
Will you excuse me? I got to take this call.
Sure.
Yeah. How you doing today, nice lady? All right. Woo! She knows how to handle that stick there, boys. I think she's late. She's late and she's going into the wrong building.